If x and y are both positive constants, simplify this quantity x squared y cubed raised to the 1/2 over x 2/3 y to the 1/6. Now again, this will just be involving the properties of exponent. So how do we simplify that? Well, if you have exponent raised to an exponent, we just multiply the exponent, right? So this will be x squared times 1/2. So you will have 2 times 1/2. It will be x to the 1, or simply x. Y cubed, so 3 times 1/2 will become y to the 3/2. Okay, and we can copy first the denominator, 2/3 y to the 1/6. Now again, we can simplify by subtracting, right? If you divide a same base, different exponent, you simply subtract the numerator exponent to the denominator. So it will become x to the 1 minus 2/3, and then it will become y 3/2 minus 1/6. And okay, so what is 1 minus 2/3? That's 1/3. And what is y 3/2 minus 1/6? 3/2 is just LCD is 6, so 9, 9, 6, right? 9, 6, so 9 minus 1 is simply 8. So that will be 8 over 6. Okay? Now if we are being asked to express this as a radical, okay, express this and this fractional exponent in terms of radical, how shall we do this? Well, we can do it like this. Okay, again, if we are asked to do this, like express this in radical format, not in a fractional exponent format. So, well, we can actually do it like this one, x to the 1/3, and you have here y to the 1/3. Okay, but wait. Okay, again, I think I have overlooked this one. 8 over 6 is just what? If you simplify 8 over 6, it's just 4 over 3, right? And okay, so we could just try to make this under a single quantity, or shall we say under the same exponent, which the fractional exponent here, that could still be rewritten as x to the y, okay, to the 4 raised to the 1/3. I hope you're not confused with that. We simply, what? Because again, x to the 1/3 is just this. The exponent will just be distributed, and from there we can express it into a radical cube root. Okay, cube root of x y to the 4. Again, because fractional exponent has an equivalent radical format, okay, and y to the 1/3 is just equivalent to cube root of y. So that's it. Now, to simplify this further, we can actually take the y, because y, the 4 here is greater than 3, we can pull that out. It will become y cube root of, what will be left will be xy. How do we do that? Well, that will simply be y cubed times, it will simply be rewritten as y cubed x times y cubed times y. The y cubed can be extracted. The cube root of y cubed is just cube root of y cubed is just equal to 1. Okay? Oh, no, I mean y. So the answer will be y times the cube root of xy.